Hello, this is Ronald Bourgeois, and you're watching SkilletSkills.com. Shrimp with oyster sauce, and this is going to be one of the more, out of all the Asian dishes you'll make, it's a little more complicated, not much. One of the better tasting dishes that you'll make, despite the simple ingredients that are in there. It's just going to be shrimp, oyster sauce, a pre-mixed sauce, garlic, but the way it mingles with the garlic and onions comes out really good. And this is a light colored sauce. Oyster sauce is going to be always a blonde color. So let's take a look at the preparation. Cut your wok heating up here, and some garlic that's cut, and some green onions. And then you start your premix. You're going to need some oyster sauce in here. You need a little bit of sugar. You're going to need some soy sauce, heavy squirt. And then you'll have to set up your cornstarch thickening, so you take about that much, which is a heavy, heavy pinch, and put it into just enough water to double cover it, and let it sink to the bottom, and it will. And when you get ready to use it, you have to scrape it off the bottom, because it just settles there. All right. Let's get started. Throw a little oil in here. There's some garlic. Good. Blend around and get magnificent in here. You just pour them in. And I don't care if the tails are on or not. In fact, it probably looks a little better. Tails on this dish. Pour your sauce in, your pre-mixed sauce. And as I mentioned, it's going to be a lightly colored sauce. And if water's boiling and you want to thicken, just go ahead and stir this around. Get it all off the bottom. Pour it in. And you will have immediate results.